Good morning, children. Last class I have explained about what is touch paint, features of the touch paint, and the parts of the touch paint window, right? And that parts there are five parts. You know that toolbar, drawing canvas, selector, colors plated, and the help area. So related to that, I'll be explaining briefly about that parts of the touch paint. First is toolbar. Toolbar means it contains number of drawing and editing controls. Like for example, paint, you can see in that window the paint, stamp, lines, shapes, text, magic, this and all will be the tools, and you can edit that drawings areas. Have you got now what you mean by toolbar? Means what is in the toolbar, what and all things means it contains a number of drawings and editing controls like paint, stamp, lines, shape, text, magic, etc. Next we will see the drawing canvas. Okay, drawing canvas means what? It means it is a area in the center of the window where you can draw the picture. I have shown what is the drawing means in the picture they have shown where is the drawing canvas means it is used to draw the pictures. It will be in the middle. It will be like a white screen, like a white color. It is an area in the center of the window. You can draw a picture there. You can draw any picture, that we call it as a drawing canvas. Next is selector. It shows different things corresponding to the selected tools. For example, when a paint brush tool is selected, it shows the different brushes available for drawing. Means selector means here if you select the paint brush or if you select the pencil, it will show again in the different again in the down bar it will show different varieties of the pencils or different types of brushes, that we call it as a selector. Next we'll call it as a colors plated. Colors plated means it will be located in the bottom of the window. Which color you want to fill it in your image or fill it in your drawing, that color for colorings the color plates are using. For coloring purpose the color plates are useful, and this color plated is located at the bottom of the window. Next we call it as an help area. Help area means in this area drawing tips are provided, means how to draw, how to use, this and all tips are provided in this help area. Have you got children now what and all things will be there in the parts of the touch paint? The toolbars, next drawing canvas, selectors, color plates, and the help area. Next we will see in the next page. Here they have given one activity like complete the words. This you have to do it like a homework. The spellings of the 5 things. So you have to learn the spellings also and you have to send back to me. Next we will see familiarization with the basic tools of the text paint. Means what are some basic tools of the text paints are there, that and all which and all the tools we will be seen today. So the basic tools of the text paints are as follow. First one is paint tool, stamp tool, shapes tool, text tool, magic tool, eraser tool, new tool, open tool, and save tool. These are the 9 basic tools will be there in the touch paint, and one thing only will be explained in the next class. Now you got children what are the parts of the briefly explained by the parts of the touch paint window, and what are the basic tools are there in the touch paint window. Thank you.